Hi everyone, I'm Anita, optometrist. I work for Zamindar Eye Center, Kalyan Nagar. I'm going to give you a few tips on how to take care of your spectacles. Always use both hands to wear and remove spectacles. Whenever spectacles are not in use, store them in a case provided to you by the optician. To avoid scratching, place spectacles with the lenses facing up. Do not use paper towels, silicone tissues, facial tissues, or old rags that may have embedded dirt, which may scratch the lenses. Avoid using scratched lenses. Use only microfiber cloth to wipe the spectacle lenses. You can use a soft toothbrush to clean around nose pads and hinges. Periodically get your spectacles adjusted according to your face. Always wear eyeglasses while driving. Ideally get your eyes examined every year. If you are allergic to metal frames, use only hypoallergenic metal frames, which is titanium. It is very common to experience a feeling of disorientation while you adjust your new lenses. Never leave your spectacles on the dashboard of a car or near a source of heat, as this may stretch the frame and can cause lenses to crack or craze due to excessive heat and extreme temperature variation. End of the day, rinse the spectacles under running tap water and wipe it dry using dust-free, lint-free soft material.